In this video, I will walk you through a detailed Manvoure clothing review to see how this brand stacks up against other popular menswear options on the market. When comparing Manvoure to competitors like Legend London or True Classic, the most immediate contrast is their focus on tailored essentials designed specifically for the performing man. While some brands prioritize a generic loose fit, Manvoure wins for users looking to contour their physique. Customers frequently highlight the trade-off between a standard t-shirt and their high-quality material that feels premium without the foreign overpriced junk vibe common in fast fashion. With a trust score of 4.8, the standout feature here is clearly the fit. One reviewer noted that the tees perfectly frame an athletic build, proving the brand lives up to its hype regarding construction and feel. However, the comparison isn't without its caveats. A common point of debate in user feedback is the sizing accuracy. While many praise the tailored fit, others warn that items can run small, suggesting that some shoppers might need to size up compared to their usual brands. Delivery speed also showed a bit of a contrast across reviews. While many experienced quick shipping, others faced delays. Interestingly, Manvoure separates itself by providing exceptional customer service, including compensation for delayed orders. If you value a modern, timeless aesthetic, and don't mind double-checking the size chart, this brand is a strong contender. Let me know in the comments if you have tried their gear yet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more style deep dives.